Hello everyone, and welcome to today's review. I'll be taking you through an in-depth look at Ecwid, a popular e-commerce platform that has gained traction among small business owners and entrepreneurs looking to set up an online store quickly and efficiently. Whether you're new to e-commerce or an experienced seller, Ecwid offers a range of features that cater to various business needs. So let's dive in and explore what this platform is all about. Ecwid, which stands for E-commerce Widgets, is a SaaS e-commerce platform designed to help users create and manage online stores. It is particularly well suited for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and those looking to add an e-commerce component to an existing website or social media page. One of the standout features of Ecwid is its ability to integrate seamlessly with almost any website, making it a versatile option for sellers who already have a web presence. Now let's talk about the main features. Ecwid offers a variety of features that make it an appealing choice for online sellers. Multi-channel selling. Ecwid allows you to sell across multiple platforms, including your website, social media channels like Facebook and Instagram, marketplaces like Amazon, and even in person with a point of sale system, that's a POS. This flexibility is excellent for expanding your reach. Ease of use. Ecwid is known for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to set up and manage their stores without needing extensive technical knowledge. The drag and drop website builder along with customizable templates allows for quick setup. Mobile responsiveness. In today's mobile-driven world, having a mobile responsive store is crucial. Ecwid ensures that your online store is fully optimized for mobile devices, providing a seamless shopping experience for customers on the go. Payment and shipping options. Ecwid supports a wide range of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and Square, among others. Additionally, it offers various shipping options, allowing you to cater to both local and international customers with ease. SEO and marketing tools. Ecwid provides built-in SEO tools to help your store rank higher in search engine results. It also offers various marketing tools, including discount coupons, abandoned cart recovery, and email marketing integration to help boost sales. App integrations. Ecwid has a robust app marketplace with numerous integrations, including accounting software, CRM tools, and social media platforms. These integrations help streamline business operations and enhance the overall functionality of your store. Security. Ecwid takes security seriously, offering HTTPS, PCI DSS compliance, and automatic updates to ensure your store and customer data are protected. Now let us talk about the pricing. Ecwid offers a range of pricing plans, including a free plan and several paid tiers. The free plan allows you to set up a basic online store with up to 10 products. This is a great option for those just starting out or looking to test the platform. The Venture Plan. At $21 per month, the Venture Plan offers additional features such as 100 products, e-goods, discount coupons, and access to the app market. The Business Plan. At $39 per month, this plan is ideal for growing businesses. It includes up to 2,500 products, advanced SEO features, and automated email marketing. The Unlimited Plan. At $89 per month, the Unlimited Plan provides all the features that Ecwid has to offer, including unlimited products, priority support, and premium app integrations. Do you know that Ecwid also offers a 14-day free trial for its paid plans, allowing you to explore its features before committing? Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Ecwid. First, the pros. Ease of integration. Ecwid integrates smoothly with existing websites and social media platforms, allowing for easy setup without the need for a complete site overhaul. Multi-channel selling. The ability to sell across multiple channels is a significant advantage for businesses looking to expand their reach. User-friendly. The platform is designed with beginners in mind, offering an intuitive interface and a range of customizable templates. Affordable pricing. The free plan and reasonably priced tiers make Ecwid accessible to businesses of all sizes. Strong security. Ecwid's commitment to security ensures that your store and customer data remain protected. How about the cons? Limited customization on lower plans. Some customization options, such as advanced SEO features and certain design elements, are only available on the higher tier plans. Limited product variations. The platform has some limitations when it comes to product variations, which might be a drawback for businesses with complex product lines. App dependency. While Ecwid offers many features, some advanced functionalities require third-party apps, which can increase costs. So is Ecwid a good fit for you? Ecwid is an excellent choice for small to medium-sized businesses, especially those looking to add e-commerce functionality to an existing website or social media page. Its ease of use, multi-channel selling capabilities, and affordable pricing makes it a compelling option for beginners and growing businesses alike. However, if you require more advanced customization or are running a large-scale operation, you might want to consider other platforms like Shopify, Wix e-commerce, or BigCommerce. Overall, Ecwid stands out as a versatile and user-friendly platform that can help you quickly establish and manage an online store without breaking the bank. If your needs align with what Ecwid offers, it's definitely worth giving it a try. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.